In this video, I am going to show you how to fix error fetching channel list for account on YouTube. If you're encountering the error fetching channel list for account on YouTube, here are some step-by-step solutions to resolve it. 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. Consider switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using cellular data if possible. 2. Clear cache and data of the YouTube app. Long press on the YouTube app icon and tap on the info icon. Find storage and tap on it. Find clear cache and then clear data. Confirm to clear and then go back to find permissions, then allow all permissions and check if the problem is resolved. 3. Update the YouTube app. Tap on the Play Store or App Store and search for YouTube. Check if there's an update available and install it for the YouTube app. 4. Restart your device. Reboot your phone or device to refresh its settings. Long press on the device's power and then swipe to restart it. Lastly, and 5. Check for YouTube server issues. Sometimes YouTube experiences server problems. You can check the status of the YouTube servers on the websites like Down Detector. If none of these solutions work, the issue may be on YouTube's end, and you may need to wait for them to resolve it. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.